I'm in a 2017 Nissan Sentra, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, we'll come down, and you should see this release lever. We'll pull this to pop the safety. And if you're having issues here, double check this cable's attached with a little tightness. If it's not attached, you might need to address that. Well, we'll head up to the front. And you should see the hood slightly loose now. Now it is that I pulled it up. But there's a lever here, so I'm going to push and lift. So push and lift. And we're going to use this little arm here. Hold it up, so now this arm's holding it up. That's where it's hooked onto. This is what that lever looks like. But double check nothing's bent or broken. Maybe some WD-40 to loosen this if needed. And then you can double check also that your hood's in proper alignment, because that could cause you issues too. But I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a good day.